Hello everyone, I'm Dina Irzhanova and I'm a NIZUP student from Group 3. Today I am inviting you to my individual presentation. My topic is Are Kazakhstani content teachers are ready for CLIL implementation? My presentation will consist from 4 parts. Firstly, I will introduce myself. Then I will describe the CLIL implementation stages and its challenges. And then I will conclude and summarize my presentation. I have graduated Kherson State Pedagogical University in St. Petersburg. Then I was invited to work at Nazarbayev Intellectual School as a physics teacher. As you know, Nazarbayev Intellectual Schools network successfully implemented the trilingual educational policy. Working at this system, I have got big experience with the trilingual educational policy when subject is taught through additional languages such as Kazakh, Russian and English languages. Then, 2 years ago, I was invited to work as a CLIL instructor and coordinator of professional development program in my region. I was a CLIL instructor. CLIL is a content and language integrated learning. It is an approach to successfully implement the trilingualism when subject is taught through additional languages. In our case, it was in English language. Then, working with local teachers in my region, I have big experience and knowledge which challenges and issues our content teachers face during the CLIL implementation, especially in rural areas. So, in the future, I want to research how CLIL works in the secondary education, especially in rural areas. As a future master student of Graduate School of Education, I want to acquire new skills which will be helpful and useful for me to organize and provide effective professional development courses for local teachers in my region. CLIL implementation has 3 stages. Firstly, it is pilot CLIL in specially designed schools such as Nazarbayev Intellectual Schools and Belem Innovation Lyceums. Then, our government organized and provided professional development courses for content teachers. And in the end of this cycle, all content teachers should work collaboratively to share ideas how to effectively implement the CLIL and how to make successful the trilingual educational policy. But during the CLIL implementation, our content teachers face a lot of CLIL-related issues. According to Karabasova, postdoctoral scholar from Graduate School of Education, Nazarbayev University, our Kazakhstani teachers have low self-confidence in language competence, especially in English language. Sometimes teachers report about the lack of academic support. Sometimes teachers work with just translated and adapted foreign materials. They have lack of learning materials. At this moment, a lot of teachers were attended ineffective short CLIL trainings, and they have found them very unuseful and ineffective for them. And sometimes, according to Karabasova research, many of content Kazakhstani teachers were not aware of the CLIL concept. That's why our Kazakhstani educational researchers Donsova and Burdina concerned about this problem, and they found that only 9.5 content teachers are ready to teach CLIL in their classroom. They are confident teachers. So we should pay attention to these statistics, and our policymakers and stakeholders should take into account this data. So I would to conclude my presentation by saying that trilingual educational policy is a national plan of Kazakhstan, and successfully implement this trilingualism, we need clear the content and language integrated learning. But sometimes teachers face a lot of challenges during the clear implementation, and our policymakers should investigate these issues and changes some policies and help our teachers to implement the trilingual educational policy. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, you can ask me them during the Q&A session. Thank you.